Hi guys! Gawa tayo ng pulburon. Pinipig pulburon. So, i-ano muna natin tong pinipig. Sasangag. Okay na yung ating pinipig. So, we have 1 flour, 1 cup. Ayan. 1 cup of flour. And our 1 cup milk, powdered milk. Ayan. Sanag muna natin konti. Guys, maglagay tayo ng butter. Ayan, butter. Lagyan natin asukal. Ayan. Guys, ilagay natin yung pinipig. Ayan. So, I put 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of milk, then 3/4 cup of sugar, then 1/2 cup of butter or more. Let's see, dagdagan pa natin to. Okay, so ganito na. Okay na ito. Palamigin natin, then hulmahin natin. Okay, we'll be back. So, ito na, malamig na. I just use the tablespoon. Pero kung may molder kayo ng pulburon, much better. Then, ito na. Yan. Then, ito na yung nagawa ko. Okay. Let's finish this. It's our pulburon. Yan.